Good morning. My name is R. Sri Charan. My roll number is 5D1. I am from C section. Today I am explaining about the sounds of English. How many sounds we have? I will explain about that. The sounds of a general American English are classified into three, namely vowels, diphthongs, consonants. In vowels we have 11 types, diphthongs 3, consonants 25. The English vowels. Vowels are the sounds which are produced with the vibration of air in a oral cavity. All, all vowel sounds are voiced or oral sounds. The relationship of the vowels to one another is shown by the device known as Vitor triangle. Vitor is a vowel triangle which shows the difference among the vowel sounds in English and their relative positions on the tongue. Contains two axes, horizontal axis from front to back of the mouth, vertical axis from the floor to the roof of the mouth, high, medium, low. By seeing a flow chart, we can easily understand about the degrees of tongue rising and the point of tongue evolution. When a speaker enunciates a vowel is or her airflow remains unblocked, this table contains American English. Vowels explain the degree of evolution of a speaker's tongue determines the sound of a spoken vowel. Vowel sounds. IY means beat, me, key, send, chief, like that. You can see the types of vowels. Examples are given: sit, give, read, pick, live. There are 11 types of vowels. Vowel sound production. Tongue position or advancement refers to the part of the tongue that is most active in the production of vowels. Vowels are described in a relation to the highest point of the hub formed. Tongue and jaw height refers to the degree of closeness of the lower jaw to the upper or the tongue to the plate. Lip position refers to the mouth of rounding or spreading of the lips. Rounded when the corners are brought forward. Unrounded, spread when the corners are pulled back. Tension refers to the degree to which the muscles of the speech tray are tense or lax during the sound production. Length refers to the duration. The vowels is held in the certain position. Diphthongs are those sounds which combine two vowel sounds and which blend them into one within a symbol. Some vowel sounds have diphthongal quality tend to be long because of the time needed to the gild forward to another position. Diphthong sounds: time, might, sing, pay, height, rhyme. These are the some examples for the each sounds. Consonants. The consonant is a speech sound used within a vowel or diphthong to continue a symbol. Consonant sounds are those sounds which are produced with the parallel or complete observation of the air column by some parts of the speech. In order to vocalization a consonant, a speaker must constrict his or her airflow at some point in the delivery, using either the tongue, mouth, or throat. The table showing American English consonants indicates the part of the mouth or throat in which each sound is produced. Consonant sounds produced. Voicing. Voiced sounds are pronounced with the vibration of the vocal cord. Voiceless sounds pronounced without the vibration of vocal cords. The consonant sounds of English classified according to the voicing. Voiced, pen, t, chord. These are the some examples for the voicing. Nature or abstraction or manner of these are the some examples for the voicing. Thank you.